Hello everyone, welcome to our new vlog of Linux Technologies. In this vlog we will discuss vulnerability scanning using very popular tool called Nessus. The content of this vlog is already present on our website, blogs.linux.technologies. Also I am adding this particular vlog link in our YouTube video in this particular video, and this vlog is gives you an idea basically how we can perform vulnerability scanning of any IT infrastructure basically. And so before we start, I will give you a very short introduction, like through this particular scanning tools which we easily find out what are the vulnerabilities basically present on any infrastructure or any particular system or services which is running on that, and these particular scanners will help you to identify easily, because when you do something manually, like suppose if we talk about if your scope of the penetration testing, it will be 1000 IPs or 500 IPs, so it is very hard to do this thing manually or by one or by checking all these things by scanning tools. There's options are there, you can put like 100 500 IPs in one scan through Nmap or other tool, but this will help you more better way to easily understand different types of attacks or vulnerabilities or present on the particular infrastructure. Not only like common, it depends on what are the services running, and on that particular service is vulnerable or not. These scanners will help, and the Nessus is a very popular and very good scanning tool which we are using, okay, infrastructure vulnerability scanning or network penetration testing. So don't waste time and quickly let's start with our new vlog about vulnerability scanning, in which we are explaining how penetration tester such a mechanism in which like penetration tester scan machines or a system or service which is running on IT environment or devices or whatever the present on the particular infrastructure. These tool can scan that. So let's jump. These vlogs I already explained you, these vlogs are for educational purposes. So this blog will give you some idea how vulnerability scanning software can help to find out loopholes in IT infrastructure, network services and web application. To perform vulnerability scanning, we will use our IT infrastructure, as already we have set up that infrastructure lab which we already created, showing up particularly, or which we already showed in previous blog demo. First we will install Nessus. So Nessus is you can install for a few scans, okay. You can register your ID of your company ID and it will activate for a few scans, not all the feature because it required a license, but it will scan you a normal scan. So first we will install or configure Nessus on a Kali Linux based machine. Now we have started that particular Nessus scanner on our terminal through this command. If you can see etc.int.nessus sd start, okay. So now after login to the Nessus, let's go to next. So after login to the Nessus, this screen will appear, so you need to click on a new scan, and after this particular content is explaining like we can scan pre-prod environment, prod environment, UAT environment, and according to the environment we have to configure our scan. Like we can reduce the threads, we can control the number of simultaneous scannings and all that thing. So we have to enter all the details like IP address, and we need to configure that. I am not explaining like one by one here, just I am giving you an overview basically. So we have scanned that one, created an infrastructure scan, and already put all our IP addresses which we found previously during our net discovery scan time. If you remember previous blogs, so if you're not seen, you can check out our previous blogs in which you can see like how we have find out the IP addresses of our infrastructure. Now after starting the scan and after completing, after some times only, it will not take too much time because we don't have a long list of IP addresses, or number of IP addresses very limited, only 5 IP addresses are there in a scope of this demo. So these scan results is, as you can see, like showing like critical, high, medium, low informational vulnerabilities. It actually Nessus will give the result or categorize like that way according to the standards, okay, like a NIST and all. So like that the output, and we can easily by the export button, if you can see here right side, the export button will help you to export the report in any format, like output will become in HTML format, PDF, Excel, or in Nessus file format as per the requirement. So this is very small blog and we have done. So if you want to see like how step by step configure, you can please comment in our this video blog, okay, and we will try to demonstrate that one also. As per the number of user will interested, I will surely create a video to show you how step by steps how to configure Nessus and how we can run it. Okay, thanks for watching our vlog. Please contact us for vulnerability assessment and penetration testing services and protect your business from cyber attack. Please, I will request you, please like, share or share our video and subscribe our YouTube channel, and this will really support our team to create a good content and spread cyber awareness. Thanks for your time.